iCity Power ithi lo mkhankaso ihlose ngawo ukubuyisa imali elinganiselwa ku-1.6 billion amarandi ekweletwa izakhamuzi namabhizinisi ezindaweni ezihlinzeka ugesi isikhungo Hill Service Center ukuze ikwazi ukuxhasa ukuthuthukiswa kwengqalasizinda nokuqinisekisa ukuhlinzeka ngogesi okunozinzo.
Today we did Mayfair, Crosby, Auckland Park and Industria. All those accounts, they totaled to the amount of 9 million, which is currently owing. We were able to disconnect some, of which some we have disconnected before. We were just only trying to figure out why they have not paid, so we had to visit them. Then we found them still off. That is what we are doing through the revenue drives.
Lenkampani ixwayise labo abaxhumela ugesi ngokungemthetho ukuthi bazobhekana nengalo yomthetho.
Customers who reconnect themselves, who will go and disconnect for the first time, that will be level 2 cut off. When we go for the second time, that will be level 3 cut off. After level 3 cut off, if we find that they have reconnected themselves, then we take that to risk department. Risk department decides on making an arrest. So we are warning our clients, please do not reconnect yourselves. The moment you reconnect yourself, you are putting yourself in danger of having to encounter being locked in jail.
iCity Power inxusa amakhasimende ayo ukuthi akhokhe izikweletu zawo noma enze izinhlelo zokukhokha nomasipala ukugwema ukuvalelwa ugesi.